now that you have your net of your three-dimensional figure, I'm going to provide you with an example of how to actually construct your net. So right now, what's very important is that when you're cutting, that you cut along the outside of the net, along the black lines. Please make sure that you don't cut off any of the tabs because you're going to need your tabs to fold to construct your three-dimensional figure. So at this time, we're going to go ahead and cut out our net. So the net that I'm using is a square pyramid. Well, remember that pyramids consist of majority triangles and a different two-dimensional shape or polygon in the center. So we're going to continue to cut along the outside of our net along the black lines. And we are almost finished here. So when it's time for you to construct your net, construct your three-dimensional figure, very next step that we have to do is to make sure that we fold along the black lines. So we're going to get ready and we're going to flip this over. And we're going to make sure that wherever we see a black line, we're going to fold on it. Because we want our three-dimensional figure to stand upright. So every black line that we see, we're going to fold on it, including the black lines that are on the outside with our tabs. So we are almost there. And in a minute, we're going to either use glue or tape, and we're going to make sure that our three-dimensional figure is able to stand upright. So we're going to make sure that our tabs go either inside or outside using glue, or we can use tape. So let's go ahead and construct our 3D figure. Voila! So once we have taped or glued our net together so it's in an upright position, we have now created our three-dimensional figures. So right here we have a square pyramid. So from this point, we should be able to determine the number of edges, which are our straight lines or line segments that come together to form vertices. We are also able to count the number of vertices that are on the three-dimensional figure. And we're also able to count how many faces, which are our two-dimensional or flat surfaces that created our three-dimensional figures. Please feel free to watch this video as many times as you would like to make sure that you are folding your net correctly.